Comparison of the top 5 traditional espresso machines, over $100. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here are the top-selling traditional portafilter espresso machines currently in Amazon US's semi-automatic manual espresso machines category, all priced over $100. Actual rankings shift frequently, but these models consistently appear at or near the top of the best sellers list. Top 5 traditional espresso machines, over $100. Breville Barista Express. Price range $550 to $600. Grinder. Built-in conical burr grinder, 16 settings. Eating. Thermocoil system, 15 bar pressure. Milk system, manual steam wand. Why it's popular. All-in-one solution with grinder and espresso maker. Great temperature control and pressure for home cafe quality shots. Frequently rated best overall by experts and thousands of buyers. Breville Bambino Plus. Price range $400 to $500. Grinder. None. Eating. Thermojet heating, 3-second heat up, PID temperature control. Milk system. Automatic steam wand with temperature settings. Why it's popular. Compact size, extremely fast startup, and easy for beginners to use. High performance in a small footprint. Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Price range $400 to $500. Grinder. None. Heating. Stainless steel boiler, commercial 58mm portafilter. Milk system. Manual commercial style steam wand. Why it's popular. Built like a tank with upgradable parts. Beloved in coffee communities for its longevity and pro-style feel at a home budget. Rancilio Silvia. Price range $700 to $800. Grinder. None. Heating. Brass boiler, single boiler system. Milk system. Manual commercial wand. Why it's popular. Trusted by home baristas who want consistent, high-quality espresso and durable build. Considered a long-term investment. DeLonghi Dedica. Price range $200 to $300. Grinder. None. Heating. Thermoblock with 15-bar pump. Milk system. Manual frothing wand. Why it's popular. Slim, stylish, and affordable. Great entry-level machine for tight spaces and small kitchens. Easy to use with pressurized baskets. Breville Barista Express. Best 4, all-in-one solution. Key strengths. Built-in grinder. Excellent espresso and milk control. Considerations. Takes up more counter space. Breville Bambino Plus. Best 4, beginners and fast brewing. Key strengths. 3-second heat up, compact, automatic milk frother. Considerations. No built-in grinder. Gaggia Classic Evo. Best 4, prosumer beginners. Key strengths. Durable, commercial-grade feel, upgradable. Considerations. Manual milk frothing, some learning curve. Rancilio Silvia. Best 4, long-term quality and consistency. Key strengths. Heavy-duty build, professional espresso performance. Considerations. Slower heat up, more expensive. DeLonghi Dedica. Best 4, budget-conscious users and small spaces. Key strengths. Slim design, user-friendly, good starter model. Considerations. No grinder, limited customization. C. Final recommendations. Best all-in-one, Breville Barista Express. Best compact performer, Breville Bambino Plus. Best prosumer starter, Gaggia Classic Evo. Most durable choice, Rancilio Silvia. Best budget option, DeLonghi Dedica. Final tips. Want convenience? Go with the Barista Express, grinder and everything built in. Want compact plus speed? Choose the Bambino Plus. Serious about espresso? Start with the Gaggia Classic. Want pro-grade build? Invest in the Sylvia. Just getting started? Try the Dedica. Remember, click and buy. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description.